what are myths, what is mythology, what is truth, and what is belief?
So mythology is, I mean, I'll give you the technical definition: subjective truth of a people communicated through stories, symbols, and rituals. तो it should be a group of people और उनके दुनिया को देखने का तरीका. तो एक गण या दल जो दुनिया को एक तरफ से देखती है. So how do they see it? And this worldview is not born yesterday. It is transmitted over generations through three things: stories, katha, rituals, so kriyaएं, rituals, and it has to be symbols, pratik. These three things have to be there in order to communicate how people saw the world. So that is what mythology is essentially. And anywhere you can't be a human. कहीं पे भी मनुष्य नहीं हो सकते अगर आपके पास mythology नहीं होगा. अगर mythology, if you don't have mythology, you are an animal. So it's a very simple thing, because animals don't have a world view. I mean, we can argue नहीं पशुओं के पास भी होता, but we don't know. I mean, the language जहाँ होगा, भाषा जहाँ होगी, where you need language is very important, and it will always communicate दुनिया दृष्टिकोण, point of view, स्वर्ग नरक देवता. मृत्यु के बाद क्या? The biggest thing is मृत्यु के बाद what happens after death. That is the beginning of mythology. That अगर death नहीं होता, see, animals die. We know that animals cry when they die. वो है, elephants and certain animals have these higher animals जिसको कहते हैं. But humans are not just interested in the sorrow of death, but उसके बाद क्या होता है. और इसके लिए आपको कहानी, कोई वैज्ञानिक आंसर नहीं दे. No scientist can answer this question. और if you ask the question, ये दुनिया ऐसे क्यों है, कहाँ से शुरू हुई, where is it going, where is it coming, scientists can tell you how it happened. They can't tell you why it happened. So they can tell you, so if you ask a scientist, how was I born, they'll say X chromosome, Y chromosome, sperm, ova, man, woman, sex, बच्चा. But why did you get these parents? उसका उत्तर नहीं मिलेगा. फिर then you will go to mythology only. कोई कहेगा भगवान की इच्छा है, भगवान का श्राप है, depending on your parents. It can be karma. So this all comes from a viewpoint.
And इस सब के बीच में सच कहाँ आता है? And Sir begins most of his books that within infinite myth lies the real truth. And who knows about it?
Yeah. तो देखिए, सच अलग प्रकार के होते हैं. एक वैज्ञानिक सच होता है. वैज्ञानिक सच is based on प्रमाण, and it is based on measurement. Measurement is very important. So evidence, it has to be outside human beings. It's called ontology. So you have to measure it. So any scientific thing measurable नहीं है तो वो scientific नहीं होता. वैज्ञानिक तो अगर बोलेंगे कि मुझे प्यार हो गया है, अभी उसका measurement नहीं है, वो केवल अनुभव है. It's only an experience. So that won't, it's not a scientific fact. It's a feeling, it's a perception. I can measure your hormone levels, I can measure your heartbeat, I can measure your hormones that are secreted in your heads. But you can't scientifically say that, acha, this is love. You can say he's aroused. The body is aroused. So, dard, pain. Now, poetry का पेन बहुत अलग होता है और डॉक्टर का पेन बहुत अलग होता है. तो वैज्ञानिक पेन इज डॉक्टर का दर्द. लेकिन कवि का दर्द क्या जाने, that science will say no, that is not, it's an emotion, some hormones are being released, chemicals are coming out and all that. So, yeah, तो सच अलग अलग प्रकार. तो एक वैज्ञानिक सच होता है, एक रिलीजियस सच होता है. सो आपके धर्म का, आपके विश्वास का एक सच होता है, एक निजी सच होता है, एक कौम का सच होता है. सो अलग प्रकार के सच होते हैं और सच बदलता है. बचपन का सच अलग होता है. So when you are a young child, you are 5, 10 years old, you believe your mother is the most wonderful person on earth. By the time you become 15, she's horrible. By the time you're 25, she's okay. By the time you're 40, you realize, no, she was not bad. And by the age of 60, you realize you are your mother.